Hi, hello students. Let's start our next topic on the in polymers. Mathematics in the polymers we are discussing regarding polymers only. In that polymers previous class we discussed about the what is meant by polymer, what is meant by polymerization process, the types of polymer, natural polymer, synthetic polymer, semi-synthetic polymers. Classification of polymers are based on their sources are there. Classification of polymers based on the elasticity. They have molecular force are very strong or weak. Molecular force are very strong, what we call as generally fibers only. If molecular force are very weak, nothing but elastomers. Elasticity is the rubber, like rubber bands. When you stretch it, it will be expand, it will be contract. Nylon wires are just called fibers only. When nylon wires will pull the nylon wire will never be expand. So let's have the new point is very important point, degree of polymerization. What is the degree of polymerization? If we consider any polymers are there, now how many molecules are made it? I'm just taking the one book. Just imagine a textbook, how many papers are there? That is nothing but degree of polymerization, n value. The degree of polymerization is represented by small n or capital N only. It defined as the number of monomeric units in a macromolecules or polymers or oligomers molecules. So how many number of monomer units are there, then based on that one they are called as degree of polymerization. Remember one point I am saying, the polymers are macromolecules. They never be single molecules, it's a macromolecules. Let's have next one is here classification of the very important types of the polymerization process. The way the monomers are joined is called types of polymerization process only. To get one simple idea, I will say one example. I will say in your class here, friends are two members are there. And the two members are they will share each one another their products and food, something else. They make a friendship. Okay, that's called addition of polymers. Like a chain growth polymers only. Next one, condensation polymers. What is that? They'll spend some money and they'll make a friendship. Look at the condensation polymer. So look at this. These are step growth polymers also. Copolymerization, two different individuals. Look at the additional polymers, condensation polymers, copolymers. Additional polymers also known as a chain growth polymers. Chain growth. What continuously adding the monomer units and it becomes long chain. This is called look at the additional polymers. Condenser polymer means near step growth polymers. In condensation polymer, some product will come. Byproduct is possible. Here no byproduct. Clear? Here byproduct is possible. Here also byproduct is possible only. Based on this one they have been classified. Let's have a look on the types of polymers only. Look at here, this one is additional polymerization process. Look at in additional polymerization process, one small example they again polyethylene, preparation of the polyethylene only from the ethylene molecule only. Look at here, this is called one molecule. Here n number of the ethylene molecule combine the form a polyethylene. Good there. Here n molecules take part in formation of the one big molecule. It's called polyethylene only. You may ask questions, sir, why they are mentioned the bracket? Means here these kind of one molecule is repeating, like hands are joining. Look at initially here double bond is there, here pi bond is there. In addition to polymers, remember general one point this is a logic point. Alkenes, okay, alkenes generally take part in the addition polymerization. Alkenes only. Either maybe single bond will possible, either maybe double bond will possible. Two pi bonds are possible. Okay, no, one common attributed in isoprenes are there in the addition of polymers, but which are formed by the addition of the reactant molecule, where many monomer bonds are together by a rearrangement of the bonds without losing. This is very important. Without loss of any atoms or molecule is known as additional polymers. In the additional polymers, no any some byproduct is possible. No byproducts are not possible. Clear? Let's have small look regarding the additional polymers and condensation polymers only. Additional polymers are formed when unsaturated organic molecules join together using up the pi electron to form a covalent bond. Clear is there? No? Only pi electron containing molecule only undergo addition of polymers only. Clear? So next one is the no side product is forms. Can you see after adding up molecule here? Can you see any water molecule is coming? Anything is coming? Here see carbon is there, two hydrogen atoms are there. Here carbon is there, two hydrogen atoms are there. Here also carbon is there, two hydrogen atoms are carbon, two hydrogen atom. Here double bond is there, a single bond is. That's different only. So no byproduct is possible in this one here. Look at next one is the condensed polymer. It's very condensation polymerization formed when two molecules in each with two same functional group, or maybe at end to end position is there, no, are joined together. Suppose you look at here, the one is amine, one is acid, two may be possible. Look at this condensation polymers. Look at this is here the long chain is there. Here two terminal atoms contain both same functional groups are there. Here also here carbon chain is there. Here two acid groups are the same functional groups are there. These kind of functional groups are undergo condensation process. When they combine, what happened there? Here look at this called as nylon 6. They call nylon 6,6. You know very well here. What happened here? This one byproduct is formed. Look at the water molecule is coming outside. Whenever this molecule is called hexamethylene diamine adipic acid, they form a joint together, form a condensed polymer. In this condensed polymer means simple example is byproduct is there. Okay, now look at in this condensed polymer here, small molecules is formed as a side byproduct, maybe water, hydrochloric acid, ethyl alcohol and ammonia. Empirical formula of the monomer is different from the empirical formula of the polymer. The polymer molecule formula and empirical formula, empirical means monomer formula, it will be different only. Clear? Look at students some example of the additional polymers like given here. Monomer is there, polymer is there, some important uses also is there, very important. Look at here, monomer is ethylene. What is polymer is polyethylene only. Look at here, nothing is changes, so single bond become to double bond become to single bond only. Here look at in the bracket they mention is these kind of the monomers contain many n, because I don't know. Example is there low density polyethylene is there, na? Here this is the polythene bags are there, polythene bags. The next one is propene. Propane. What propane means? Look at here, this containing of, look at there, one carbon atom is there, two is there, three is there. It is, look at this called as a propane. Look at this kind of many molecules are joined together, they form a large number of molecules. Nothing but here also same. Remember here, one hydrogen atom is replaced with the methyl group. This is called as a polypropane. Clear the example of the polypropane only. Look at this very important. Poly. You can look at this called polystyrene. This is called polystyrene. Look at these are the pipes here. These are plates here using in daily life is there, no? These are made up of the polystyrene only. Look at the polystyrene, nothing but ethylene is there, no? Here look at the ethylene means here carbon is there, one hydrogen is there, one hydrogen is there, hydrogen is there, hydrogen is there. One of the hydrogen atom is replaced with the benzene ring. This is called as a polyethylene. It's called styrene only. Styrene. These kind, look at the here also a double bond is it becomes single bond. It becomes single bond. It becomes the polystyrene called PS only. Polystyrene. Polystyrene this one is. Next one is the chloride PVC. PVC pipes are there. No? These pipes are we are using in our daily life is there. No? Or else look at this kind of this one made up of the poly PVC only. PVC pipes. Look at polyvinyl chloride. Nothing but look at here in this one both the different what is there here. Here benzene is there. Here chlorine is there. That's different one. Same reaction. Additional polymer only. It's called PVC pipes are there. Look at this very important for board examination. Teflon. Teflon. The non-stick cookwares are there. No? In the non-stick cookwares, they are containing of some coating will be that. Coating is made up of the Teflon. Teflon also called as a tetrafluoroethylene. How many fluorine atoms are there? 4. This is ethylene molecule. Nothing here. Difference is nothing but here. These three. You could here you look at hydrogen. Hydrogen atom is there. No. Here also remember hydrogen atom is there. 4 hydrogen atom is replaced with the fluorine atom. Is clear? This is nothing but here Teflon. Tetrafluoroethylene only. So these are regarding the additional polymer. Here look at here they have again very clearly additional polymers, chain polymer, additional polymerization, chain polymerization, condensed polymerization, step growth polymerization. In additional polymerization, look at here just consider the monomer must have the at least one multiple double bond will be there. Clear? So here the monomer add to one to give the polymer only. They here monomers are joined together form a polymer only. Number of monomer units are decreases steadily throughout the reaction only. Number of monomer units are decreases steadily throughout the reaction. Remember here small confusion is the increases only. Generally increases throughout the reaction only. Monomeric weight of the polymer is integrated multiple of the number of. Look at the how many number of monomers are there based on the number of the polymer size will be dependent. High molecular weight polymers is formed. High molecular weight. Why high molecular weight means no? These all molecules are joined together form a large number of molecule. Okay, a large number of molecules you can form here. Okay, let's start here also is this type of growth polymers is there, nothing but condensation polymerization process. Generally monomer units must contain some two functional groups are there. Maybe generally acids will be there, amines will be there, some alcohol will be there. So look at there during the step growth polymerization process, each individual step is different only. First two molecules combine, they lose some water molecule. Again molecule will come. Look, step by step the process will goes on. Clear is then here what happened, there are some molecule will be eliminated. Water, methanol will be loses here. The monomers is there here. Look at there, disappears at the, look at the, just one point remember here. The monomers are disappear at the early stage of the reaction only. Sorry, once the monomers are take part in chemical reaction, the original property will reduce. Suppose just imagine here, during nylon 6 formation is there, no, you can see here some water molecule will be releases. So what when the molecular weight is there, no, not be same as monomers only. The monomers losing water molecule is the water molecule also like according to law of conservation of mass. They also control some mass is will be there, no. So next one is that here, okay, it will come same. So look at some example, will get clarity. Look at this one is one example of the condensation polymerization only. Look at this condensation polymerization, then look at here, just consider here is just formation of the one amide bond is the nylon 6 like that. You take here, you take, if you suppose here carbon atoms are there, no, 4 carbon atoms are there, and here is there, no, R is containing of here, just consider here R is containing of 6 carbon atom, then it's called nylon 6 only. If suppose the given nylon 610 means here CH2 units are will be 6 will be there, here difference will come here 6 CH2 units are before the nylon 6 what happened here, the 4 carbon atoms are nylon 610 here, what are the 8 carbon atoms will be there. Look at the polymerization which elimination of small molecules such as water, ammonia, methanol and HCl will be there. Polymerization must have two different functional group is there and its end of the each monomer. Condensation polymer is there, no, polyamide is there. Nylon 6 is called polyamide only. Formation of polyamide is done by reacting dicarboxylic acid with diamine. Diamine, look at the two functional groups. Amine means NH2. Dicarboxylic acid means here, look. In this what happened here, one water molecule will be eliminated. Look at the water molecule is going outside. Look at this example of nylon 6 only they given here. Look at nylon 6 containing of polyamide using industrial as synthetic fiber. The term nylon 6 include 6 carbon in adipic acid, 6 carbon in amine. Look at how many is there here, 4 carbon atoms are there, L1, 5 and 6. Look at here 6 carbon atoms are there. Nylon has peptide bond, is called peptide bond. CONH2 bond is called as peptide bond only. Clear. Linkage as functional group which is also found in the polypeptide proteins. Proteins, what is the proteins also contain this kind of the bonds only. Look at high tensile strength, high melting point of nylon are due to the hydrocarbon bond only. Do you know where nylon name is coming from? New York and London. The name is coming from New York and London. Okay, this one they prepared. It's very important. Clear. This called nylon 610 is then formed by the condensation of the hexane 1,6 diamine with deca 1,10 dicarboxylic acid. Remember here dicarboxylic acid will contain here the deca carboxylic acid. Deca carboxylic acid means this total number of carbon atom will be 10 will be there. Okay, similar to nylon 6 water is produced as a side product only. Nylon 610 is used as a making of synthetic bristles only. You know some synthetic bristles are like a toothbrush bristles are there, no, for making of one nylon 610 will be used. Okay, this is an example of the nylon only. It is a nylon wires are there, no. Here nylon, general nylon, we just consider some materials also they will use for using of nylons only. Nylon is very strong material. Some more example of condensation polymerization process only. Formation of polyester. Look at polyester. Okay, na? Esterification process you know very well. Acid plus alcohol is there, no? For the reaction of polymerization, reacting dicarboxylic acid and dihydric alcohol. Here the alcohol plus acid, they form a material called polyesters only. Do you know where esters are? They have fruity odor is there. Okay, dicarboxylic acid. Look at here also, just imagine here the previous is the nylon 6 amide will come here. Here ester will be there. Ester means R C double bond O. Look at there, R C double bond O. This call is ester group only. They have fruity odor. They will lose some amount of water molecule only. Just imagine here in this process there, look at the dicarboxylic acid diester. Example is the terylene. Is the terylene also known as artificial wool only. Artificial wool also called as terylene only. Terylene. Okay, clear? Generally terylene is also known as the PET, polyethylene terephthalate acid. Terylene is also called as a polyethylene terephthalate acid. Water bottles also, some water bottles they will use here. Look at here, look at here, they mentioned two carboxylic acid. Look at R here, the atomic benzene ring is there, no? This called as ADP, just come as a polyethylene tertiary acid, dicarboxylic acid, and here glycol, ethylene glycol, CH2, CH2OH. One water molecule is eliminated, they form a esterification only. Clear? This is nothing but a preparation of the condensation polymer only. Look at here, these are some condensation polymerization process only. Here they have taken the ester only. Look at ester functional group is there. Look at here, from this one hydrogen atom is coming from this molecule and one methanol is coming this molecule. Here as product is coming as a methanol, byproduct is methanol only. Dimethyl benzene 1,4 dicarboxylate used as a methanol is produced as side product for this chemical reaction. All these three are the condensation polymers and very important for the condensation polymer. Look at this, students, very important point is the addition polymerizations are mechanism, which method they are following is there. There are three types of the addition polymers is there. First one is the free radical polymerization process, cationic polymerization process, anionic polymerization process. What is free radical polymerization process? Means any process is initiated by the free radicals. Okay, if any polymerization process initiated by the cation is cationic polymerization process only. If any polymerization process initiated by the anion, then it's called anionic polymerization only. In the free radical polymerization process is there now. Look at what it just considered like benzyl peroxide. Peroxide, you know, no, benzyl peroxide. When you supply the heat, it becomes decomposition easily, it breaks easily. When it breaks easily, you go for homolytic fission. Homolytic fission means radicals, equal amount of electrons will be shared. Then what happens in the area? Immediately you look at the area, carbon dioxide gas will be goes in. Look at, you will get a very clear idea. Carbon dioxide gas will be goes. From this one, what happens? What will goes here? From this one is one carbon dioxide water molecule. When carbon dioxide goes, what happens? You will get the radical only. You will get the radical. Look at the here. Just imagine this is a carbon dioxide radical. Your radical. This one. This benzyl radical is initiated reaction only. What happens? The benzyl radical react with the double bond is there. Look what happens whenever the bond is formed, free radical is forming here radical will come here. That radical will be there. Clear is there, no? Here no need to be confused here. Look at initially what is benzyl peroxide. When I supply the heat undergo homolytic cleavage, when I go to homolytic cleavage, free radical will come. This free radical, what happens? The carbon dioxide gas will be goes away, and benzyl free radical, this benzyl free radical initiate the reaction. Initiate the reaction only. Look at the next step, you will get clarity is there. What happens here? Whenever benzyl peroxide react with the alkene molecule is there, no? This molecule undergo step. Look at the here, just consider the chain growth. Look at this chain is there, no? This chain is added, again will be connected. Again is added. What happens there? This chain is increases. That's called the chain growth only. So what happens here? This reaction takes place by three steps. Is what is called initiation step. Initiation. Look in the initiation, what happens there? The benzyl peroxide undergo decomposition, they form benzene radical. This benzene radical attack to alkene. This initiation step only. Initiation step. Next one is the what is there here? The propagation. The process is continuing. Once radicals are formed, the radicals are more reactive. The radicals are again they'll be attacked here. Look at there, this radical is again will be look at it will combine. When it's combined, what happens here? Again bond forms here. Again this bond will be shifted. They form a radical. They form a radical here. The bond is breaks. Clear is there, no? So what happens there? Radical is coming. This radical again will combine with some other alkane. What happens there? The process goes on. What happens there? This part will be continuously going on. That's called here termination process. What is termination process? There is something ending will be there, no? For any process there is ending is there. What happens there? These kind of two molecules are joined. Look at the molecule 1, just consider this molecule 2. They will join together, they form, look at it, they will join together, form a large number of molecules. So in this step, what happens there? What are the addition steps are there? Second step will be terminated. This process called as a termination process. In this termination process, generally they will use termination process CCl4, carbon tetrachloride they will use. They will be terminate the reaction only. Look at students, the cationic polymerization process. In this cationic polymerization process, I'll give one small example. HCl4 decompose into H plus and ClO4 minus. H plus is there, no? This H plus initiate the rate of reaction. Polypropylene, polypropylene only. You can remember whenever it will be added here. Look at it. Whenever look at it, just imagine here. Whenever H plus is added, look at here. They will go for heterolytic cleavage only. Just imagine heterolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage means minus charge will come here, plus charge will come. Clear is there, no? Whenever in the area H plus will be added here. H plus is added because the hydrogen is coming. This newly coming hydrogen. Positive charge is there. What happens? This positive charge is there. This positive charge again add to some other molecule. Whenever bond is forming, what happens here? Again here positive charge will come. So what happens? This reaction is carried by using of the positive charge. Previous reaction, you remember, is because of the negative charge is there. This is called as a cationic polymerization process. Cationic polymerization process initiated by the this H plus one. Here initiation process is there. This is initiation process. First initiation process, H plus will be added to the propene. They form a propyl cation. This propyl cation is again it added to some other propene. Reaction goes continuously. Propagation step only. In the termination step is then here I mentioned termination step is there. No, what happened in the termination step here? The same molecule will be joined. Look at the termination step is there. Like these molecules are 2 Rg will be joined. They form a larger number of molecule only. Clear? Next one is then is cationic polymerization process. Next one is anionic polymerization process. There are some negative charge ions will come on a anionic polymerization process occur via carbanion as interface. Carbanion means C minus. Nucleophile will come. Look, nucleophile is nothing but a lithium ammonia is amide is a lithium amide is there. No, this NH2 group initiate the rate of reaction only. This example, let me look at the. This is a polyvinyl chloride. Example is PVC pipes are polyvinyl chloride. Once polythene bags are there, no, if H2 is there, polythene bags. H2 is replaced by chlorine is called polyvinyl chloride only. If this chlorine is replaced by cyanide is called as a acrylonitrile. This is called as acrylonitrile, very very important. If the cyanide is replaced by the benzene ring, this is called as a polystyrene. Polystyrene. This is nothing but some other example. This one is not, but this 3 is very very important for a board examination point of view. Next one is look at the given anionic polymerization example is there. No, here lithium negative charge is there. It is added here acrylonitrile. Negative charge coming. This negative charge will again added will be here. The reaction will be continuous. Clear? So you just check the textbook. You will get very clear idea. Okay, students, I once again say here the lithium butyl will come. Negative charge will be again added here. This reaction is classified. Okay, the next one is the classification of fibers. Fibers are classified as but a polymer that can be drawn into the threads. Fibers only. Plastics what in the solid polymers which are capable of being remolded because of the heating. Plastics are there, no, they are become softened only. Resins are there, no, solid or semi-solids which are incapable being remolded because they have not softened on heating. Clear? Elastomers means remember this elastomers. You know very well elastomers nothing but some elastics bands are there. The polymer that can be stretched and generally when you stretch it it become expanded to contracts only. Plastic solids polymers which are capable of being remolded because of their heating this process. Thermosetting plastics we discussed already. The same concept on the given here. The plastics can be classified into 2 main categories based on the heat. Thermoplastics, thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastic can be molded again and again. Thermosetting plastic cannot be molded. Example is polythene, polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipes are there. The thermosetting plastics are there. No, you remember bakelite, epoxide, urea formaldehyde is there. When heated, look at these polymers are there. No, they become softened. They are not become softened. They cannot be remolded again and again only. This regarding the polymers only. Look at the natural rubbers are there. No, look at the I'm discussing small point is the natural rubbers. Monomers of natural rubbers nothing but 2-methyl butene. 2-methyl butene is called natural polymerase 1,3 butadiene only. What happens? These kind of molecules are joined together, they form a large one. When I discuss natural rubbers, special class will be there. I'll give the next class. In next class introduction will come. So natural rubbers are there. Remember what is natural rubbers means latex. When you take some plants will cut the wood part is then some alkali will come outside. The alkali they will add small amount of chemicals. The chemicals is generally acetic acid. They will add become harden. And they'll filter, they'll get very hard material called natural rubber only. Natural rubber is also called as a latex only. The natural rubber generally they are given one is there. No, natural rubber is the general formula is 2-methyl butene. Look at 2-methyl 1 comma. Look at 2-methyl butene. Clear is there? No. This what when these molecules are joined together they form a polymer is there. No, this is nothing but a natural rubber only.